This Century 21 Western Realty property video is presented by BobKory Team. This beautiful one-story home is located in Cypress Oaks neighborhood, has an open floor plan containing 4 beds, 2 baths and an open study. There is gorgeous landscaping in the front yard, with a huge covered patio in the backyard. Kitchen includes granite countertops, walk-in pantry and a stainless steel appliances. Large master has a walk-in closet, stand-up shower and garden tub. Zone Cy-Fair ISD. This won't last long. Schedule your tour today. Verify room measurement. For more information, review the details below or contact BobKory Team at 281-394-4608.